In this video, I'll show you everything about your Amazon account health. We'll be talking about all of the metrics that Amazon actually uses to rate your business. We'll be going through a Seller Central and through the Reports API to actually retrieve those information. I'll show you how to do it in the old way and how to do it in the new way using the newest AI technologies. And if your Amazon account ever got flagged, restricted, or suspended, this report actually shows you why. And now you don't really need to dig through the Seller Central to find out. So let's jump to the Amazon Seller Central. We are here. This is the account health dashboard where we have all of the information. So you have customer service, performers, order defect rate, negative feedback, guarantee claims, chargeback claims, policy compliance. We got the highest possible rate here, which is 1000. So meaning, yep, our account is health. All of the issues listed here, they are all on 0, meaning we didn't have them or we resolved them. Delivery performance, account health news, and we have the compliance request to manage. So this is how you do going through the Seller Central. Now, if you want to get this information through the Amazon API, you can use Amazon Selling Partner API. So we'll be talking about the performance reports here in the Reports API section. So if we go here, we have report type values, performance reports, and we'll be talking about seller performance report, which is the report type get V2 seller performance report. And for the role for your developer profile and the Amazon app, you need Selling Partner Insights. This is available for sellers, and in order to get this report, you need to request it. And of course, it contains all individual performance metrics data from the Seller Central Account Health Dashboard. And here we have the attributes, so account statuses, performance metrics, invoice defect rate, missing invoice, order defect rate, and a lot of other information that we'll be not going through all of them. So from this report, you get pretty much all of that. Now, if you want to get this report from the Amazon Selling Partner API, there's a typical standard way, which is getting it through the API. And when it comes to Reports API, we've actually covered this in the video tutorial here on the other channel, where we go through the documentation, we set up the Python environment, we go through the Reports API, and then we request the report with Python, download the data and parse it so it's also readable for you, so you can later on put it to the CSV, Google Sheets, or any dashboards such as Power BI dashboards. Also, if you want to get more insights on how to use the Amazon Selling Partner API, we have the whole crash course where we go through every possible section from setting up the developer profile, creating the application, and doing the API calls with Postman and with Python programming language, and then also getting through the most important categories in the Amazon API. So if you're interested, go check it out. Now let's get back to the video. So this is pretty much how you would get this data, either from the Seller Central or Reports API. Now I want to show you the newest way how you can do it in a matter of seconds and how top Amazon sellers are actually doing it in 2025. So we'll be going to the tool called DataDoe. This is the newest AI tool that works pretty much like a ChatGPT, but it's 24/7 connected to your Amazon account. So it has access to everything and you can ask it pretty much about anything related to your Amazon account, data and Seller Central and Ads Console. Now, let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you don't need to know anything about coding or the documentation. You just use your natural language, like I'm talking to you right now. Hey DataDoe, show me my current Amazon seller performance status. Bam. Your current Amazon seller performance status is here. Your Amazon seller account is in excellent standing. Your overall account health rating for the past 6 months is great with the perfect score of 1000, meaning everything is as it should be. Now, key performance metrics. So late shipping rate, last 30 days, your rate is 1.43%, target less than 4%, meaning you're shipping orders on time and well with Amazon requirements. That's pretty cool, and everything is as it should be. Now, invoice defect rate last 7 days, also good. Your rate is 0. What does it mean? You have had no invoice defects recently, which is ideal. Order defect rate last 60 days, also the same for the FBA. Now for the FBM, we got 0.90%, which is also very good because meaning something happened in the past. On-time delivery rate last 70 days, your rate is 73.4%. What does it mean? Most of your orders are being delivered on time, which supports positive customer experience. That's good. Valid tracking rate 100%. Pre-fulfillment cancellation rate also good, 0%. You have not canceled any orders before fulfillment. So yeah, in total, it just says that hey, it's all good. We even got this nice table that we can export, show it to the team. So that's pretty cool. Now you can also do some follow-up questions. I mean, once you have the data, you can pretty much ask it anything. So let's ask, what are the top risks in my seller performance metric right now? It actually does queries in the background, so you don't need to know any data scientist stuff. Just ask it and it does the whole job for you. So here, assessment on top risk in your seller performance metrics. Based on your current metrics over the established window, 7 to 60 days, pretty much, yeah, all indicators meet Amazon targets. However, when we look at the relative performance and room for improvement, the following stand out as your top risks. On-time delivery rate, I mean, yeah, we get the 73.4%. So this one, FBM order defect rate, late shipping rate. I mean, pretty much those are the only ones where we had slight issues, right? I mean, it's still perfect, but we had slight issues. We got some recommendations. So investigate logistics partner and cut-off times to boost on-time delivery closer to 95%. Audit FBM fulfillment workflow to eliminate residual errors, monitor daily shipping performance, especially around promotional periods to safeguard your late shipping rate. So DataDoe also gives you recommendations. And from there, you can pretty much do a follow-up queries, ask it about anything. I just wanted to show you pretty much information about your account health, how to get this information in multiple ways, and also convince you to try use the newest AI tools that are here to help. That would be it for this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.